Well, guys, it's a new day, and we'll try a new thing. You know, it's sunrise. Sunrise at the beach house with Freckles. There she is. It's okay. You're my darling little girl. You're such a good bunny. You're my sweet Freckles. Hope I make you a star. Welcome to the rabbit party with Sweetie, BB, and Freckle on the Youth Truth Show. Thanks. Yeah. My sweet rabbits. You're good babies. What a beautiful thing. Freckles giving birth. I saw one baby at her most vulnerable. There are predators. Gotta love this rabbit. What a brave mother. To have her children and carefully place them in the nest. Very hard to see. Maybe you can tell there's a baby in there if you can blow this up. This is the first time I got to watch this long. And I'm pretty close. You know, not far away. Right, sweetie? Trolls live at the base of the shade tree.
I got troll.
You did?
I don't know whether I'm getting him in here. A predator. My predator. My poor little baby.
And if the trolls are buried inside this, you're doing a good job, right, Freckles? Well, sometimes you go to a lot of trouble for your loved ones, and you know, you're just like trying to take care of them as best you can, and they just want to sit out in the rain. Loki, the most important animal in... Right, sweetie? There's a 3-minute one for just gait, and then there's a 20-minute one for animal lovers and maybe comedy critics. Like, subscribe, comment, Youth Truth Podcast. Right, sweetie? That's Loki. His mama was a boxer. Tough dude. And there's Freckles. 6 feet away. Yeah. Yeah, I bet that fence and that rabbit knows that dog can't get through now. How is this for having earned Freckles' trust? YouTube. Like, subscribe, comment. You know, Freckles moved. I was gonna say follow Freckles, but she hid under the chair. Still hanging out. She just moves to the other side. Looks like Freckles decided to move in. You know, I know that rabbits don't do much, but she's digging her burrow. I saw Fuzzy here this morning, and she decided to build her nest right here. You know, they dig a little bit, and then they push the dirt aside. It's, you know, about as active as a rabbit gets. Kind of think it's cool. Like, subscribe, comment. Looks like Freckles. Fuzzy and Freckles were lovers. Oh Lordy, how they could love. You know, for the youth, Fuzzy's been courting Freckles probably for 3 years. But look at how patient he is. I've seen Freckles say I'm not ready, but I don't think he should be canceled. You know, but he only kills to survive. And I'm not a good director, but I try to piece it all. This dancing by the light of the full moon. Don't play in the street. My children, don't play in the street. Freckles, my friend, 3 wonderful little wild rabbits. Oh, there's a 4th. You know, the beast. My heavy-duty truck, but that would be Freckles, probably. Yeah, they come over to my house because I try to take care of them. protect them from trouble. You know, simple man. Don't play in the street. A gathering of friends. Oh, get out of here. That's the cat. The predator I protect my babies from. Better be careful, baby. Yeah. You're my good babies. Don't play in the street. Yeah. They trust me. Hi, babies. Cute, huh? Wild thing. You make my heart sing. It's everything. Spring. What a nice time of year. All the bunnies, they appear. My call. That wasn't a rabbit. Right, sweetie? The only way you'll get there. It's so funny. It looks like she's trying to help me fill in my ditch.